See variables in more detail, and we'll talk about comments also. So if we have x, a variable say, and we assign a value 2 to it, and we echo it on the command window, and we try assigning x again to 3, then again this x will be assigned value 3. But here is the difference. The difference is that this small x and this capital X are entirely different. They are not equal. So since we have case sensitivity in MATLAB, so we need to remember this. One more assignment, and let's have an equation of inclusion of small x and capital X together like this. Say x to the power 4 minus capital X and then plus y, and we receive the result. These variables can have certain names as well, like speed. This is equal to 5 say, and I'm not going to echo it back to the command window. That's why I use semicolon here. Again time, say 10, again a semicolon, and then I wish to estimate the distance. For that, distance is equal to speed into time. But now I have inserted an error, deliberately made an error. Why? Since I wanted to emphasize again that this speed and this speed is different, because this speed starts with a capital S. So we need to edit it again. Let's move to S, make it small, and run it again. The answer will be fine. Now it happens that sometimes you wish to inform yourself or to inform others. How to do that? By putting comments. And comment starts with % in MATLAB. Like I'll be assigning a radius value. So in the start, let's give this is radius, and then we can assign a value. Since this line is not executed, it doesn't affect anywhere. It just gives you an information. R is equal to 3. Okay, let me not echo it. Then I have used a smaller word of circumference, say circumference, and I wish that in future also what this word is I must remember, or I may recall. For that, again I will try to use the comment, and comment can be inline also. So this is circumference. And if I print circumference, it will give me the result of circumference. So there are various variables which we have made of different name, and I wish to find out what all variables I have right now. For that I have a command who. It will give you all the variables but not the details. If you are interested in details as well, give it whos. And if you wish to delete one of the variable, say clear say x, it will be C. This is x. Now I execute this command and x will be gone. And now I'm done. My work is complete. So I wish to delete all these variable. For that I have clear all. So this is idea about variables, names, etc. Now let's clear it and talk about the precision value. What are the precision value? If I divide this by a number, say 5, then I have certain answer, and this answer is having a precision of 4. What if I want a precision, more precision? Then I can use format command. This is a keyword, format and long. Okay, let me calculate that this division again, and see we are now received with the actual value which we would have expected. There are certain say these are the precision, this is 10 to the power 2, so real scientific view. And I want to again get back to the similar answer which I got it. For that I may format it again and make this format as short, and let's recall that division again, and I receive it again back. Now, being a scientific software, we have other options also, like format short ENG. This is for engineering. Okay, now the format has been changed. Let's find out what we get if we divide this value with this. So we have a engineering output, means for us to understand, for researchers to understand, for engineering people to understand. And if I multiply this by say 7,000, then also the result will be something like this only. This is short ENG. If you wish more precision values to come, then I may format it again to a long ENG and say I wish to multiply 8,000, so we have a long ENG value. Now I may format it again to a different command. This is somewhat different from others. This is format short E. This is format short capital E. What important idea we get from this is that I have a value, say 1.3456. I multiply it by 1, just 1. See, we multiply it by 1. We know that the answer should be 1.2345, but what will be the answer? You just see, it will be actually be in exponential form, because this is E for exponential. For example, if I perform I may use this keys, and let me multiply it by certain number. Okay, we have received this number. Now let me format it to long E, and you know what long can give you. Just divide small numbers and we have a long precision value. So this is all about our variables and format command. So one more thing, that you can just click here and you can go to format, you can type format, and whatever this is available to us, format E, format long, whichever options are available, we may be able to see it through it. It's a comprehensive discussion and description of these we just discussed. We discussed some of these format commands. So thank you so much. Take care of